Nocturned, fine bracelets, minimal by design, made to stay, for the ones who wear the night well. Norris fine bracelets, less is power, elegance is eternal. For the woman who embraces her strength. Light is not always loud. Some pieces are meant to speak in silence. The Lumen bracelet, minimal, timeless, meaningful. For those who carry quiet strength, clarity in silence, strength in essence, jewelry that speaks without words. The Noctura bracelet, sterling silver, black onyx, minimal in form, powerful in presence. Nivora, wear the moment. The current cuff in white gold and blue sapphire, made to move with you. Analytic geometry, fine bracelets designed with intention. Every angle, every curve, a study in form and function. Crafted in sterling silver with natural black onyx. Seren Echo Cuff, platinum. Every angle, remembered. Verdant, rooted in nature, designed to endure. 925 sterling silver, moss agate. Minimal by design, meaningful by nature.
Own the edge. Precision worn.
Light worn softly.
Eris, fine bracelets. Balance within, strengthening without. Designed minimally, made meaningful.
The detail everyone notices. Crafted from 18K rose gold with ruby enamel.
Made for the spotlight. Elegance that speaks, strength that lasts. Crafted from 925 sterling silver with a London blue topaz stone. The Lumira collection, designed minimally, made to mean more. Vorian, fine bracelets. Strength in simplicity, power in details. Designed minimally, made to empower.